going to teach you a variation on the shuffle time steps that I call the triple triple. I have also heard this combination referred to as a double triple, because basically what you're doing is you are going to do a shuffle step on each side. So where you had that flap step at the end of your time step, you're now going to do a shuffle step. So you've got a triple on the right side, triple on the left when you're starting right, or triple left, triple right when you're starting left. I like to call it a triple triple because there are two triples in it. Like I said, people sometimes call it a double triple because you're doing two triples. So you've learned your triple as shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, fall, lap, step. Okay. The triple triple, you are going to replace that flap step, or that flap, with another shuffle step. So it's going to be shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, step. So instead of full lap step, you're doing shuffle, step, step. So you're doing a triple and a triple. Some people call it a double triple, like I said, and that's because you're doing two triples in it. But there's such a confusion with singles, doubles, and triples that I think triple triple is a little more descriptive. Okay, let's break this down. So again, you're doing shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, step. Then the left foot would go shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, step. The rhythm is 8 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and 1 and a 2. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step. Okay. Let's kind of go through this again. So you have 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, 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 step. You want to stay on your toes as much as possible. Your heels technically really should not hit the floor with this. Five, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, 8 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8, 1 and a 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step,